Today, these birds serve as a conservation success story. Hunting and trade regulations brought about by conservationists in the early 1900s helped their population rebound, and it's now considered stable. Watching these birds on local waterways can be peaceful and mesmerizing. It's common to see them hanging out on the water's edge, soaking in the scenery or preening their feathers. While standing still, they keep their necks tucked close to their bodies. But while walking, or when they see something that grabs their attention, great egrets extend their necks, giving themselves a better bird's eye view of what lies ahead.